Alright guys, so today I wanted to show you how to have an organized inbox in your email because as we're doing school online, it would be easy to get buried by emails, and I just want to make sure that you guys are staying super organized digitally as well as in your actual physical environment. So the first thing that's really important in your email is just to keep it clean. So when I look at this, I only have one email in my inbox, and the reason that I have this there is because I still have not finished this task. I ordered some things for school. They have not come in yet, and I don't want to forget that I ordered things in case they go missing or whatever. So I'm leaving this in my inbox to remind me that I have a job that I need to do. However, if you notice, there's nothing else in my inbox. Everything else has been taken care of because I've completed all my other jobs. So I've noticed a lot of kids who have calendar invites from me or emails from like long time ago that aren't really relevant anymore. Delete those. Go through and think of, is this something very important that I need to keep? And if it's not, get rid of it. So I'm going to show you how to keep the emails that are very important and move them out of your inbox into a place where you can find them easily. One example is a few weeks ago I emailed everybody their email username and password, which is not just for email but for basically everything we do online. And a lot of kids keep asking me for it, but if you saved the email, you would be able to find it again. So I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go over here to the side where it says inbox, stars, snoozed. Now I have a lot of folders already created, but what you're going to do is go down to more, and you're going to create new label. You can label this whatever you want, and I'm not going to actually do it because I don't want another folder in my email, but you could create a folder that you are keeping all of your ULA stuff in. Or you could create a folder that is for important things. Or you could create a folder for tech stuff like your username, passwords, all that stuff. Whatever you want your folder to be called, you are going to hit create, and then it will create a folder. And I will show you over on the side. Now see, I just got another email. I'm not deleting it because I haven't done anything with it yet, but I will get to that soon. Over here, you'll see that I have some other folders. So I created a folder for technology, smile file. These are some of the ones that I've created. You're going to decide what is important for you and create those folders accordingly. So your first step is to keep your inbox clean. The second step is to create folders so that you can save the important information that you need to save. And the third folder, or the third idea, is really a more advanced skill that is definitely something you could do, but I would say those first two are the most important. So one of my students asked me how to set up a filter basically so that any email from me goes to a certain folder. And so if you would like to do something like that, you can come over here and click on the gear, which is settings. Click on see all settings. And then you're going to come down to this part, and it's going to say general, labels, all these things. Click on filters and blocked addresses. You can create a new filter. Maybe. Okay, and again, I am, well, I guess I will go through part of this just because I want to make sure that you guys can see how to do that. So let's pretend that you want to sort all the emails from me and put them into one spot. So I'm going to put from and my email address. You could do this for anybody. You could also have it goes to a certain person. You could have it sort by that, by the subject, if it has certain words, whatever. Okay, but I'm going to sort it. All emails from me, I want to come to a certain spot, so I'm going to create filter. And then I'm going to choose which folder I want to put it in. So I'm going to click on apply the label, and maybe I want it to go to, I have a folder for keep, stuff that I need to keep. Or maybe you want it to go to your ULA folder. Whatever folder you want my emails to go to, or whoever else you are filtering, go ahead and click on that. And then you're going to click create filter, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to sort my email like that. But those are 3 ways for you to keep a really organized inbox. 1, just delete stuff and keep it clean. 2, make folders for just sorting information that you need to keep so it's not all in your inbox. And number 3, filter things if you need to. I'm going to show you one other tip that's super helpful because I have a lot of emails. So there was an email that I sent to you guys that was super important, and it was called Tomorrow Meeting, I think, or Tomorrow Morning. I don't remember what I called it, but anyway, you can type in stuff in the search bar up here at the top, and you can go ahead and just hit enter, and it will bring you all the emails that match that so that you could find things more easily. And if they are not in that list, at the very bottom you could say search the trash, and you can see if that is where stuff is too. So those are my tips on just keeping your emails organized, and yeah, I hope this helped you, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.